If you want to record a YouTube short video on iPad, here you can't record the YouTube short video. So just minimize this and first hold your iPad like this vertically. Then open the camera app, switch this to video, and if you want to change the camera, flip the camera and select the quality. For me I just HD and 60 frames per second. Okay, that's enough for me. Now just record the short video. Maximum you can record the short video up to 55 seconds. So you can record the short video to 60 seconds, which is 1 minute, but I would recommend 55 seconds. If you want to know the full details, watch this video. Okay, it's reached. I just cut this, so it's saved. So I just click I button. Here you can see the ratio 1080 x 1920. Now just minimize this and open the YouTube app. Now just click this plus icon, video, and select the recorded short video. Here you can see the video was on vertically. Just click next and next, and not made for kids, upload video. Just click this, scroll up like this, your videos. Here you can see the video was uploading right now. This is definitely converted into short video. Just wait. Yeah, it's almost done. I just refresh the page. That's it. Here you can see it added to the short videos. If I click videos, there is no video. If I click shorts, here you can see the short video. So that's it. It's completely converted into a short video. This is how you need to do. There is no separate option on iPad version of YouTube. You need to record manually using vertical position within 1 minute. 55 seconds was the best. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to upload a professional short video on iPad to YouTube, watch this video.